Hello guys, my name is Ahsan Mamud, BTech CSE second year student. Today I am going to explain the concept of shell sorting. Now let's get started. Shell sort. The basic definition of shell sort is often termed as an improvement over insertion sort. In insertion sort, we take increments by one to compare elements and put them in their proper position. In shell sort, the list is sorted by breaking it down into a number of smaller sublists. It is not necessary that the list needs to be with contiguous element. Instead, shell sort technique uses increment I, which is called gap, and uses it to create a list of elements that are I element apart. The general algorithm for shell sort is given below. How shell sort works. Let us consider the following example to have an idea of how shell sort works. For our example and ease of understanding, we take the interval I of 4. Make a virtual sublist of all values located at the interval of position 4 position. Here these values are 35, 14, 33, 19, 42, 27, and 10 and 44 as shown in picture below. 35 with 14, 33 with 19, 42 with 27, 10 with 44. We compare values in each sublist and swap them, if necessary, in the original array. After this step, the new array should look like this: 14, 19, 27, 10, 35, 33, 42, and 44. After that, we take interval of 2 and we will compare the element with gap 2 as shown in the picture below. We compare and swap the values if required in the original array. After this step, the array should look like this as shown in the below: 14, 19, 27, 10, 35, 33, 42, and 44. Finally, we sort the rest of the array by using interval of 1. Shell sort uses insertion sort to sort the array if the interval or gap is 1. Following is the step-by-step depiction. As seen above, after performing shell sort and merging the sorted sublist, we only required 4 moves to completely sort the list. Thus, we can see that we can significantly reduce the number of steps required to sort the array. The choice of increment to create sublist is a unique feature of shell sort. Application of shell sort. Shell sort performs more operation and has higher cache miss ratio than quick sort. Shell sort is, for example, used in Euclid library. For similar reason, in past shell sort was used in Linux kernel. Time complexity. Time complexity of above implementation of shell sort is order of n square. In the above implementation, gap is reduced by half in every iteration. There are many other ways to reduce gap in which lead to better time complexity. Gap sequence. There are many methods of gap sequence as shown in below. Shell's original sequence n by 2 n by 14 gap is equal to 1, nth increments, spreads. Conclusion: Shell sort is highly efficient algorithm that comes to an improvement over the insertion sort. While insertion sort works by incrementing its element by one, shell sort uses the parameter gap to divide the array into subarrays whose elements are gap apart. Then we can sort the individual list using insertion sort to obtain the complete sorted array. Shell sort performs faster than insertion sort and takes fewer moves to sort the array when compared to insertion sort.